Hello, good evening, everyone. Welcome you all to this live session of Spoken Mate. So, know your coach today. I am Shweta Gupta. So, Spoken Mate is the best platform ever you can have to outshine in your personality, to become the best, and to gain confident human being. So today's session is on would-be bride. So I would like to give amazing tips to the would-be brides. So now the word bride. The moment we hear this bride word in our mind, so what actually clicks? Wedding, right? So wedding word is like we have this wedding word. So we feel as if we have to dress up and we have to become the best. Dressing, makeup, attire. So you have to look the best. You have to rock on your wedding day. So here today I would definitely tell you very basic and very enhancing tips which will outshine your personality. So, wedding really plays a very important role in today's, for especially for a girl, because she will transform her journey to a new journey. So, that is so important part of her life. So, it's a dream day to really become and to rock, to look the best, to look amazing on that day. So, weddings are all around the corner. Another 1.5 months or 2 months, wedding season is arriving. So, welcome to all the would be lovely, gorgeous, beautiful, pretty brides. So, I'm sure all of you must be really excited. Some of you must be really tensed or stressed also. Maybe you're in that anxiety mood also. That how will we look on that wedding day? But you know what mistake we do? We only focus on the wedding day. We just focus on our parlor, on our bookings, on our attire, and we never focus on our skin or on our personality. How we are supposed to be representing ourselves. So now I would come up with few very wonderful tips which will really make your help you to glow and it will enhance your personality to the best. So, number one tip to all the would-be brides, you should always start your day with 2 glasses of normal water. So it is just normal water. So you must be thinking that we all know this tip. Yes, of course, we all know this tip. But how many of us follow it? So we should only start with 2 normal glass of water. Sometimes what happens that we become lazy and we don't feel like warming up the water or heat up the water. So it is a very basic tip. The moment you will have 2 glasses of water, it will really impact your skin as it detoxifies your body and cleans your body. It purifies your skin to the innermost. So this is a very important tip. So I want that all of you should really imbibe this tip every day in your daily life. So it is just normal water. And yes, of course, you really have to pay attention that you should drink this water before brushing your teeth. So that is very significant to drink 2 glasses of water without brushing your teeth. And you just do this tip for 15 days and you will see the difference in your skin. Trust me, you will actually comment me and tell me, ki, yes, I have achieved this in these 15 days. So it's an amazing tip. So all of you should really follow this tip. So now wedding, right? So wedding, we are always excited. We are full on that mood to dress up, to do makeup, right? But we never take care of our skin. We somehow forget our skin. So I will give you all those tips which do not require any expenditure. So what we usually do, we usually use different kinds of scrubs, facials. We go for massages. We have different kind of creams which actually have chemicals in it. So but trust me, I go for natural things. So natural things means that we can just go with this aloe vera. So we can apply this aloe vera leaf. This we can find anywhere, maybe in our kitchen garden, maybe at our neighbor's place, or maybe anywhere around. This is a very common plant. This is called aloe vera plant, which you can just use it daily on your skin. It will really make your skin flawless. You will not have any spot and you will shine. Your skin will glow. You will shine to the utmost. So this is a very basic tip and you can do it any time of the day. So it'll just take more than not even a minute to use this. So we can just bisect it. We can just divide it into two parts and there is this gel. We can apply that gel directly to our skin, directly to our face. And you can just start doing these tips from today onwards. As we have a little time for a wedding, like it can be 1 month or 2 months. So these tips will really make your skin a perfect, flawless skin. So start to do it from today onwards. It does not require any time or any money. So this all depend on us. So we have to work on ourselves. We have to believe on ourselves and we should think that yes, we are the best. So now I will come to the tip number 3. So tip number 3 is again a very basic tip. The tip is of greetings. So yes, so come on, all of us are living in a modern world. So we have this habit of saying hello, hi, we are hugging each other, right? So we feel very good the moment we see the other person is saying hello, hi, or hey, right? But trust me, when if we are actually in that phase of that bridal age, or we are having that period, so we can easily imbibe this habit of doing namaste or namaskar. As all of us know, India is a slightly conservative country, right? So we can always use this tip like namaskar or namaste. So we can just use both the hands together, both the palms together like this, and we can always greet our elders or anybody we know like namaste. So this will really enhance your personality and will give a positive outlook to the other person. Trust me, it really works. And everybody will really praise you and will appreciate you that you really have moral values. So I hope you're enjoying my session and I hope you're liking all these tips. And I really look forward that you will follow all these tips in your daily routine. Now, we come down to the next tip. So, next tip. So, any guesses what next tip I can give you? Again, it's a very basic tip and a lovely, beautiful tip. Okay, so now I would like to give you this tip. This tip is of a smile. So, smile is the heart of our personality. Even if you are not wearing any makeup, even though if you are not dressed up properly, even if you are not wearing good attire, but a beautiful smile can really make millions of people love us and like us. So smile really, really does a lot of wonders in our personality. So now you will say that we cannot smile every time. Of course we cannot. So I would give you a very important tip. How can you practice to smile? So the important tip is that, see, all of us like really have a very ongoing attitude to look at ourselves in the mirror, right? Every time we pass through a mirror, we always look at ourselves in the mirror. So whenever we are looking ourselves in the mirror, so we can always pass a smile to us. Like it will really make us feel so wonderful and great that we will automatically imbibe this habit of smiling. We will always smile, and this will really help us to make our jaw muscles also strong. And we will have that smiling face which will be appreciated by each and everyone whoever we meet. So I hope you are liking all the tips and you will really, really enhance it in your daily life. Now, tip number 5. Tip number 5 will go with the body posture, correct posture. So, like whatever attire, even though if you are wearing any long dress, short dress, lehenga, suit, kurti, but if we have a slouching kind of a posture like this, so any attire we wear, it will not suit us. So we should really have